guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to the GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be going about another Sunday tutorial because it's Sunday and we are back with another tutorial. In today's tutorial we will going to show you, in fact I'm going to show you how to make collections on ZAZZLE and how to actually manage them. Now this is a requested question from somebody who watches my video and they really enjoyed this video, and I got an email from them, so I am here to help them answer these questions for them and helping them create a collection on ZAZZLE and managing them based on my own experience and knowledge. So let's dive in. Before we go part, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing because whenever we upload it, you'll be getting notified about it. We have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can click on that link and you can simply download it. We also have a free email newsletter which you can subscribe to it. It will going to deliver you exclusive content regarding making money online. So consider subscribing to it. The link is in the description box below guys. Now before going over to the laptop and showing you the process guys, one thing I want to tell you that recently I made these earrings from the clay by myself and I really love the way they are looking. And guys, I would be starting soon with my own earrings business made from the clay. So I'm really excited about that. These are the earrings I made. Let me know if you also like the clay earrings. Many of the people who watches my video are the females and they do love the earrings, so do let me know in the comment section below, like, do you like the clay earrings? And I made these earrings from the clay and these looking so pretty, so beautiful, and I really love them and I'm thinking of actually selling them because I love creating them. So do let me know, do you like the clay earrings or not? And I would really love to hear from you. So let's get back to on our laptop and I'm going to be showing you how to make a collections on ZAZZLE. Now this was a requested question and I feel that it was a little bit complicated because collections and categories are two different things on a ZAZZLE and these two works differently. So I'm going to be showing you how to make one and how to validate that. So let's hover to a laptop and the process begins. Here on the ZAZZLE, you could see the very first homepage of the ZAZZLE. Now I'm going to quickly go into my dummy store that I have created for this specific video tutorials for you to help you. So I'm going to be going strictly towards my store and I'm going to be showing you how to make a collections. So let's hover to our store and I'm going to show you how to do one. Now guys, this was the dummy store that shop I have made for the purpose of this video tutorial on showing you how to make your own shop on ZAZZLE step by step. That was a complete tutorial. I think it was 45 minutes tutorial. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above if you haven't checked it so far. And if you're completely a newbie who don't know how to get started with ZAZZLE, that video will really going to help you. So I created that shop in that video. So let's take a look at the shop. Now I think I have uploaded a few of the products, but let me see how many products are there on this shop because I have using this shop only for the sake of the tutorial. So I have a few of them. Okay, so what you need to do when you're going to land on your shop, you're gonna see a bunch of the options over here, the hooks, collections, followers, news, and all this kind of stuff. We need to go over to the option that is the collections. And once we are here, it's so simple and so easy to make a collection. What you need to do, you can see over here what are the collections. You can read the collections, what exactly the collections are. So if I'm just gonna go into the definition of the collections, I'm gonna open it into the new tab. Curate and share your favorites with ZAZZLE collection. You could see the ZAZZLE Help Center. Showcasing collection of your favorite ZAZZLE products are a fun and eye-catching way to share multiple products with your friends, followers, and customers, and to organize your products into different topics and events. So if you are having, for example, 100 different products on ZAZZLE, and when someone is landing on your shop, they need to find a right kind of product which they are looking for. But if you have 100 products and they are kept like that only, it would be really difficult for a customer to actually find the right kind of product which they are really looking for. So collections actually help you to organize your shop, organize your products in a beautiful way so that when someone is landing, they're gonna see, okay, the collection is made related to the Christmas, the New Year, the Easter, the Valentine. So if someone is there to purchase the products related to the Valentine, they're gonna click on the Valentine collection and we're going to hop over to the products that you have in your shop. So that is the thing about the collection and why you need to create a collection, because it creates an organized and well professional shop. And you really need to have that kind of look to your shop, because you think that, oh, it's a Zazzle shop only, it doesn't matter. No guys, it does matter a lot, because on Zazzle, you're getting a patches based on how much you're making in your shop. The pro badges starting with the pro and then the silver, bronze, and so on and so forth. You're getting those badges, and it would be really helpful for you if you are having a professional shop that is well organized. The people will going to land on your shop, they're going to see, oh, it's a well organized shop, this is a pro seller, so I'm not just going to purchase one thing from their shop. If I like more things, I'm going to purchase more from their shop. So it will going to increase a lot more conversions than you ever think of. So you can see how to add a product to your collection. I'm going to show you how to do without this thing as well. And these are the simple steps. You could see the desktop and the mobile version. Now, I also received one of the comment regarding, can you use Zazzle on your mobile? Yes, you can definitely use your Zazzle shop and can upload the products in your Zazzle shop from the mobile itself. It's just that you need to have that desktop site option selected when you are logging into your account, so that when you're logging into your Zazzle account, you're going to see your desktop's version of the site on your mobile. So make sure you do check that option in your phone browser. If you're using a Chrome browser, the Google Chrome browser, then it would be really helpful. You can simply do that. And it's easy to upload the products in the mobile. It's not that complicated as it may sound. So these are the bunch of the different options. You could see the collections over here, how it's collected over here. You can read much more in depth about it, but let's go. So what do you need to do and don't? So do create collections containing handpicked products that are related by event, theme, product types, or occasion. So you need to make a collection which is related to an event, theme, product type, or an occasion. For example, I already gave you an example of the different kinds of event, the Christmas, the Valentine, all those kind of stuff. Even if it is a theme related, for example, all the animation related products, or maybe sports related products or something like that, you can categorize them into different collections. Do add a vivid high quality banner image and detailed description to make your collection stand out and easier to find. You can also add the picture image to your collection and add the description if you want to do that. This thing is just an optional, but if you want to do that, you can obviously do that. Do tag your collections with descriptive and popular keywords that describe the entire collection and how they are related. They are also giving you the popular keywords and descriptions that you can very well use in your collections. I'm gonna show you in a second how to do that. Do keep your collections focused and small in size so they are easy to browse. That's quite obvious. Now, what you don't need to do regarding the collections, don't create huge collections with products that aren't closely related. That's quite obvious. You don't need to place all your products in one collection which is not related to that particular collection. You need to have a separate collections for each and individual product or theme or event, whatever it is. Don't add the same collection to all your stores if its content aren't closely connected to the products in your store. I have already talked about this point. Don't use a low resolution banner image that contains text or any other types of information. So you need to have a high quality resolution banner image. But let's first go to our shop and see how to create a collection. So I'm going to click over to the plus icon over here and click that. You're going to see an option, create collection. You can name your collection. Now I could see that I was having in my shop products related to the watermelon. Now watermelon, that could be a theme. You could have a food collection or a fruits collection, or you could simply have a watermelon collection as well. So I'm going to name my collection as watermelon collection, because all the products I saw that was in the watermelon. Depending on your theme, event, or product type, you could have a collection. Let me give you some examples. Event related, I already gave you, that's the Christmas, the New Year, Easter, Valentine, so on and so forth. If it's related to the some kind of an occasion, for example, baby shower, birthday, anniversary, then you could create a collection around that as well. If it related to some particular theme or topic, for example sports related collection, or maybe animation related collection, maybe fashion related collection, or profession related, for example is focusing on the teachers, it's focusing on the engineers, doctors, lawyers, you could create a collection according to it. Okay, these are just a few examples. The sky is the limit in this thing. Depending on what type of products you have in your shop, you can create the collection name according to it. Now you could select the privacy over here. Obviously you need to keep it as a public, because we want our collection to be publicly live on the shop so that people can view them. You can also create a private collection if you just want it for yourself. The another thing is about the tag. You enter up to 5 tags that best describe your collection. Use codes to create phrases like happy birthday. So you need to use the 5 tags that are related to the collection. So now I'm going to use the 5 tags over here. Since it's a watermelon, so obviously the first tag I'm going to use the watermelon collection. That's what is coming in my mind. The next something I'm going to be using fruit. Next thing I'm going to use a summer fruit, because it's related to the summer, it's not related to the winter. Maybe I could write a beach fruit. I mean, whatever you can write it, guys. These are just the things that are coming in my mind right now, so that's what I'm proceeding with that. Another thing, we could write a melon fruit. Wait a minute. Fruit design. Yeah. And you make sure you put them in inverted commas or quotes so that they comprise of one single tag only. If you are not doing that, then they will be kept in separate tags. Then just click over to the add tag option. Boom. We have added the 5 tags: the watermelon collection, the fruit, summer fruit, beach fruit, melon fruit design. These were just the example, guys, that was coming in my mind right now. And you are only allowed to add 5 tags, so make sure you optimize your 5 tags very well. The next thing is the description. You need to describe about your event, product type, event or intended audience of your collection. 1000 characters maximum. Okay. So you could write whatever related to your collection. Since it's related to the watermelons, I'm going to be writing this collection. Now this is just an example, guys. You can be more creative. I'm gonna write what is coming in my mind right now regarding the watermelon collection. Okay, this collection is related to the watermelon or a melon, a summer fruit. Get excited about the summers and get excited about the summer and have a taste juicy watermelon products at your related to watermelon or melon summer fruit. Get excited about the summer and have a taste of juicy watermelon products at your ease and pace. Kind of like a funny or sarcastic, not really sarcastic, guys, kind of like a funny or beautiful humor. So when someone is reading that, they're gonna see, oh wow. So this, if you're reading that, okay, this was just coming into my mind instantly when I was typing it. I didn't prepare for this particular description, it was just instantly. So you could write like, oh, summer juicy watermelon fruit. You could have at your ease and pace related to that product. So kind of like giving a sense of a watermelon in their mind. This was just an example, guys. The maximum characters that you can use is 1000. So be creative and you can prepare the description according to your collection. The another thing, you need to select the store over here. In which store you want your collection to be live. Next, you could also select the default store from here and click on the done. Boom, guys, we are done with the collection. Okay, now we need to add our products to the collection. You could see this is our collection. You could simply add it. We haven't added a banner image over here. You can add it. We have just added the tags and description. So we can add the cover image as well. We can do it later on, but first I'm going to show you how to add products to the collection, because that is really important. So go to the section of products in your shop. So once you are over here, you could see I have almost like a 20 products in my shop. Now you could either select all the 20 products if they are related to that watermelon, and you could add them all. So for example, you could select over here, select all. If all the products that are there in the row, okay, these are the 20 products there in the row are completely related to the watermelon, you can simply go and select the all products. Okay, and then you can click on the actions and you can select the add to collection. As simple as it sounds. And from here you could simply select the collections, that is the watermelon collection. That is so simple, so straightforward, guys. That's all you need to do if you want to add your products to the collections. Now, this is the case when you have the multiple different products you want to add to your shop. That means I have added 20 products to my collection at just one click. That's all. But if you are having a different products that are related to the different collections and you don't want to put them in a single collection, then obviously you need to select each and individual product and then proceed with that. So for example, if I want to add this particular product only, I don't want to add the other products, so I can't go over to the option to select all. I need to select the individual products which I want to add in the collections. So what I'm going to do over here, once I've selected this particular product near the checkbox, I'm going to click over to the option that is the actions, and here you can see the bunch of the actions over here. You can also add to the featured products if you want to list the products in your shop as a featured products. It depends on you, but I'm going to go over to the option that is the add to collection because we want to add this single particular product to our collection. So I'm going to go to the collection, add to the collection, and click over to the watermelon collection. Boom! This product has been added to the watermelon collection. As simple as it may sound. That's it, guys. You have to do regarding adding your products to the collection. Once you have uploaded the products or designs and you have the products in your shop, you can simply go and do the things over that. The another thing I'm going to talk over here, guys, I'm going to go over to the option that is the collections. Now you could see this particular collection has a product because we have already added that. But what you can do, you could click over to this image, that is a change cover, or you could simply click over to this over here only. Okay, it will going to show your collection and you're gonna see how we have typed in while creating this collection is appearing over here. This collection is related to watermelon or melon summer fruit. Get excited about the summer and have a taste of juicy watermelon products at your ease and pace. As simple as that, you could see very well over here. The description of the collection is written over here. This is the name. Just scroll down, you're gonna see the products that you have in your collection. Have a cover image, so you could simply click over that and you watermelon, and you could see you are allowed to only select this particular surface. So I'm gonna be selecting only this particular thing and click over to the OK. Boom, guys, we have a collection. We have the cover image, the banner and image of our collections. We have the products, the tags, title and description. Let me just refresh this section again. Collection, the people can watch it out. We have the banner image as well, the name, the title, the description and also the product. So this is the way to create a collection, and I have also shown you how to add products to your collection. You simply head over to the product option and you need to select the product which you want to add to your collection, and then simply go over to the action option and add to the collection. And if you want to select the bunch of the different products, then you could simply go over to the select all option. From here you select all and then add to the collection. How to show you how to make a collections and how to manage them. I have also shown you how to make a collection, how to add the banner image, the title, tag, description, how to add the product to the collection. Hopefully you find today's video useful. If you enjoyed today's video, do let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Are you having a ZAZZLE shop? How well it's working? Do you need anything regarding that? I would really love to hear from you, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. Hopefully you find useful and enjoyable. Let me know your thoughts and views in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.